And if you can commit to working for 3 to 6 months, then we should partner to do this. And she was the one. But this film couldn't have been made with two very, very important people who are the co-producers of the film. Like, it takes an army to make a film, and it wasn't just enough to have the studio. So I'm really thrilled and honored to have with us from Pune our two co-producers, Ravinder Jakotia and Mr. Dharmesh from Cool Homes. And the most important co-producer for this film, who's also my uncle, from the organization ADAPT, Able Disabled All People Together, Mr. Satya Loor. We thought a lot about how we would cast this film and whether we'd be able to actually pull it off. It was a really scary decision. I felt that if I can't find that right actor to play Laila, I'm going to not make this film, because it was so important that that character, Laila, be able to pull off. And while you're watching this film, you don't realize that she's actually an able-bodied actor. And to pull that off is something so difficult. Nilesh was the casting director as well, and Kalki was his very first choice. And I told Kalki that, you'll need to do an audition. And if you can even give me a jhalak, 10% of that role in that audition, and if you can commit to working for 3 to 6 months, then we should partner to do this. And she was the one person in India who really gave that jhalak, as well as understood that it's not enough to have talent, but you need to have commitment and hard work and perseverance to pull off a role like this. It's not surprising that at the Talent Black Nights Film Festival, Eddie Redmayne got the Best Actor for Theory of Everything, who won the Oscar, and Kalki got Best Actress. If India could participate in the Oscars, I have no doubt that it would be Kalki who would have been answering that acceptance speech at the Oscars. So please help me in welcoming Kalki Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin. It's pronounced Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin. Revati was really sad that she couldn't join us today, and she's hopefully will be there before the release. She's a very, very important person in this film. But I'm thrilled to have two of my other actors here who are also important in the film. First of all, character playing Khanum, Shayoni, who we're actually launching in this film, Shayoni Gupta. She's just been absolutely brilliant, and internationally, just as everyone couldn't believe it that Kalki didn't have cerebral palsy, nobody could believe that Shayoni was actually sighted and not visually impaired. And Hussain Dalal, who plays Dhruv. Any other cast and crew are here of Margarita? Please come up on stage. Atika Chauhan, Hindi dialogue writer. Vikram Nath Gupta, first AD. Joy Barua, guest composer. I'm sorry, I can't see. And Virginia Holmes, makeup. We couldn't have done it without you, Virginia. Anyone else? Okay, thank you all so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we have a round of applause for all of them?
पहले आप किस तरीके से, किस मनोस्थिति में गए थे कि यार ये फिल्म कैसी होगी, और फिल्म देखने के बाद आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
चूँकि किरण ने इतनी तारीफ़ की थी और किरण के टेस्ट पे मुझे बड़ा भरोसा है, तो इतनी तारीफ़ की थी तो मुझे लगा था कि यकीनन अच्छी फिल्म होगी. और वाकई जब मैंने फिल्म देखी तो आई वाज जस्ट फ्लॉड विद द फिल्म. ये फिल्म आपको हंसाती है, रुलाती है, आपको सोचने पर मजबूर करती है, और आखिर में आपको एक सेलिब्रेटरी मूड में छोड़ती है. इट ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्स यू, इट मेक्स यू फील गुड. इट्स वेरी लवली स्टोरी, वेरी वेल मेड फिल्म. तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म मुझे लगी. और बहुत कम फिल्में हैं मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान में जो हम बनाते हैं जिसमें कि जो हमारे मेन लीड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो उन्हें कोई तकलीफ़ होती है, जिस्मानी तौर पे कोई तकलीफ़ होती है, जैसे आम ज़बान में हम डिसेबल्ड कहते हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहते हैं. मुझे बल्कि कई डिफरेंटली एबल्ड लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि आप क्यों ऐसी फ़िल्म नहीं बनाते ऐसे किरदारों के ऊपर, ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर. तो जब मैंने ये फ़िल्म देखी तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ वाकई आखिर किसी ने ये फ़िल्म बनाई है. और ये फ़िल्म जो आपके लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं वो डिसेबल्ड हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, लेकिन उनमें जो जज्बा है वो बहुत ही कमाल का जज्बा है. तो बहुत ही कमाल की फ़िल्म बनाई है. तो आई थिंक जो आम तौर पे जो हमारे समाज में जो लोग हैं जो डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, उनको उनके हीरोज़ कौन हो सकते हैं, उनके लिए कौन किरदार हैं, उनके किरदार भी हम पर्दे पे देखें। तो ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें ऐसा हमें मौका मिलता है।
सोनाली,